Yes.
So yes, let's start this right here. We're gonna introduce you later. Everything will happen over the time. We have Pranit with us on this episode of Figuring
Thank you.
Out.
Thank you so
So we
much,
just
Raj bhai.
started talking about this thing. I'll get back to the point where we'll introduce you formally and everything, but I don't want to miss out the edge.
Hmm.
You said every time you want to create content,
Hmm.
you want to make content which should feel special to you.
Yeah.
क्या है मतलब उसके बारे में psychology and why did you say this?
See, because my entire audience is more on Instagram.
Okay.
So I'm already creating a good content on Instagram, and I believe that everyone is connected to me more on stories, not even my posts.
Okay.
So even if I am posting on Instagram, that has to be very special. That is what my commitment is to my content. Like I have tried doing सोचो मत ज़्यादा करो कंटेंट ओके बट दैट डिडंट वर्क फॉर मी बिकॉज end of the day people really want some solutions as from a fitness trainer. Finally, even if I am doing a content generation, I have to think about my profession also.
True.
Because that is why people are following me. So along with that, the second reason why people do follow me, because of my, I think, everyday's good morning Insta world, which I do every day.
Acha.
And that is where I do my all motivation stuff.
What is it? What is Good Morning Insta World?
So-
For everyone who's in my audience, they don't know. Tell us
Okay.
about it.
So good morning Insta world is wake up in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. Turn on your camera. Okay. Close your eyes. Ask yourself one question. That this is your, if this is your last day, what advice you will give to people?
What advice will you give to people?
And then I'll talk. This is what the good morning Insta world is.
Oh.
So I just close my eyes and I think about, if this is my last day, what should I be saying to entire world? And that is where I start with good morning Insta world, and then everything starts. This is how I start my day every day.
And now people, your audience is super connected with this.
Super connected.
So like they just wait for Good Morning Insta World.
आज ही सुबह को मैंने इतनी गालियाँ सुनी है क्योंकि मैंने डाला नहीं, because of my wife and some other commitments. Yeah, so पहले कैसे होता था कि पहले सिर्फ कॉफ़ी ले लो, टेरेस पे आ जाओ या किसी भी शांत प्लेस पे आ जाओ, where you can actually listen the nature and then you feel connected, and that is where I used to pump in. ओके लेकिन आज मतलब उठते ही बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी जो कर रहा था, तो इसलिए नहीं हो पाया. लेकिन या दैट इज़ वेयर माई मेन कनेक्ट इज. सो I feel that I'm already doing a content generation that is from stories, and people are very connected through stories. Yes, I don't post that much amount of post, because finally managing 40 people team, being an entrepreneur, managing all the corporate tie-ups, becoming a very good husband, trying to be a good son, as I assume, everything has to have a perfect balance now.
Yeah.
Before my marriage, I wasn't that much conscious about being balanced and everything, because I always considered myself as an extremist.
Okay.
Like if I'm into something, then I'm into something. Just please don't disturb me also. Not even a 1 minute you are going to get my time. Okay, that is my first. Yeah.
I see where this conversation is going. Yes.
So yeah, so after my wedding, I have realized that yes, you have to balance few things.
Okay.
So yeah, so coming back on point, thing is, now I'm also thinking of to start something on YouTube, and people are really willing to see me on YouTube, but
They're waiting for you. Your people are waiting for you.
yeah. But I just want to make sure that I'm not the I'm not the guy you will be able to see every day with new content.
Acha.
Okay, and because it is going to put me in some kind of pressure of creating something new every day,
True.
whereas people know me inside out that I do everything same. Like I do have my same lifestyle. I wake up in the morning, I will do my good morning Insta world. Okay, that is the only unique thing you will every day see. And the second minute you will be seeing me training people. Otherwise I'm training my staff, or otherwise I'm taking meetings. That is the only thing. So what do I create as a new content? So whenever I just want to make sure that whatever content I'm going to create for YouTube, that must be, I think, 2 videos in a month only. But these videos, I'll be working for one video ऑलमोस्ट 1 वीडियो फॉर 2 वीक्स. आई विल प्लान इट आउट कि कैसे मुझे बोलना है, क्या करना है. एंड राइट नाउ अभी मैंने सिर्फ स्टार्ट किया है कि कुछ लिख पाऊँ, कुछ जो मेरे दिमाग में है. अभी कैसा होता है कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने ऐसे भी बोला है कि प्लीज़ ये 15 सेकेंड्स का यार स्टोरी नहीं पसंद आता है हमें, कुछ तो बड़ा बोल दो ना, कुछ तो बड़ा बोल दो. सो ओके, नाउ दिस इज अ डिस्क्लोजमेंट ऑफ समथिंग. लेट्स मेक इट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. सो आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ प्लेलिस्ट
Okay.
विच वी हैव एक्चुअली हमने कुछ वर्ड्स सिलेक्ट किए हैं.
ठीक है.
जो मेरा एक विजन है कि ये प्लेलिस्ट में से कौन सा भी वीडियो अगर आप एक भी बार देखते हो तो यू आर मोटिवेटेड.
Ooh.
एक भी वीडियो. सो ये प्लेलिस्ट में मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मैं 7 वीडियोस तैयार करने वाला हूँ. सो हाउ am I going to do it is I have just selected a few words. Now my first word was dream.
Okay.
So I have had a proper video on dream and then I posted on Insta. But I will repost that on YouTube. And then the second video is coming out, that is belief. And then there is a proper, I think how much 4 minutes video, 4 to 5 minutes video on just belief, what I feel about belief word. And
The properly shot video.
yes, everything related to belief, whatever I feel about belief. Now the third topic is fear. Now I'm going to talk about all the fear people have. मतलब अंधेरे से डर लगता है, किसी को पानी से डर लगता है. एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू फियर. इनसिक्योरिटीज ऑल्सो कम इन टू द सेम थिंग. सो दिस इज वॉट आई एम ट्राइंग टू डू.
No, it's pretty good, but on contrary, this gets me to a point because I try to relate everything to my life, how I've been living my life. Because since we both are though we are from different industries,
Yeah.
but we are trying to cater to market through a same way.
Exactly.
And the way is content creation.
Right.
That's one of the smartest way today possible. Right. And I have been creating my content where we don't plan anything.
Oh, that's nice.
Zero.
Yeah.
Okay. And I always have this thing, and I always have this thought that maybe I should have planned, maybe I should start writing and then prepare a good video and then put it out. And but we never end up doing that. Never we do that.
I can understand that.
I remember the conversation yesterday. We just had our gaga moment that our last 3 videos, all 3 of them went viral.
Okay.
So we were like, wow. So yesterday these guys are pressuring me कि you have to think about today's content. आज ही decide कर लो क्योंकि अभी बहुत अच्छा streak मिल रहा है. You have to go up.
Yes.
Because,
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
You have to do. And I'm like, जो होगा कल देखेंगे. जो होगा कल. I don't know what I'm going to create today. I'll say it. I'll record it. I'll put it up within next 30 minutes. That's it. And that will be up.
I think.
So do you feel like this is the bad approach as a content creator?
No, not at all. See, you have to be in that zone of creating content. Okay. See, when you have a task of solving someone's issue from the team, like let's say I've got a complaint from my client. Okay. Now I have at least 350 clients which are active in my company.
Whoa.
Okay. And these are all on 37 days
Okay.
challenge. And when it comes to 37 days, we don't leave you for 24/7 also. Like we are not going to leave you
Even for a minute.
For a minute also. So you are accounted for almost each and every meal that you eat. Now anything goes wrong over there, this is my first priority. Okay. And then there is no time limit. If I get any kind of complaint, I make sure that I'm calling that person personally. Okay. And then this conversation doesn't mind कितना time तक जाता है. वो 1.5 घंटे का हो सकता है, 2 घंटे का हो सकता है. I will try my best to solve this out on that level where this fan or this client of mine should not feel little bit bad about the brand. Okay. That is my first priority right now. So I think I'm yet to reach up to that level where I feel that okay, every day I can create a content. Right now I have to plan and sort things out for me where I can simply prioritize few things. Right now creating content मतलब पहले साल का जो था वो तो मेरे काम से ही निकल जाता था content. क्योंकि जैसे ही किसी का बिफोर आफ्टर आ जाए या जैसे ही किसी के 37 days खत्म होने को आ जाते थे, they used to only send me the photos and I have to post it and I just have to keep resharing the stories. That's how I was doing it. But now when it comes to creating your own content, I feel that I have to have that mental little bit क्या बोलते हैं space जहाँ पे मैं जाके कुछ create करना चाहता हूँ.
Okay.
एंड या दैट इज़ द मेन थिंग. एंड इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहा हूँ कि जब भी मैं यूट्यूब पे कुछ डालूँ, इट हैज़ टू बी मोर स्पेशल एंड इट हैज़ टू बी माई 100%. नॉट जस्ट क्रिएटिंग समथिंग जो कि हाँ मैंने टाइम पास में भी निकाल दिया. उसको आने में आई थिंक 3 साल लगेंगे मुझे, जब तक ये फिटनेस टॉक्स जो नाम है वो ऑटो पायलट पे नहीं चला जाता.
Okay. So it's very safe to say that you are, at the end of the day, you are a fitness trainer and an entrepreneur, or somebody who cares about his clients way more than your content, way more than your Instagram journey, way more than your marketing, let's say that.
Yes.
You care about results more than marketing.
Yeah.
This gives me to a good point to introduce you to my audience now. It gets me a good point. Welcome everybody. We are with Praneeth now. He is one of those trainers who I found out on my every influencer friend's story. Everywhere. Everybody. He's training all the celebrities and influencers who I know. And I don't know how this guy is like omnipresent. एक दिन किसी को कर रहा है, दूसरे दिन किसी को कर रहा है, तीसरे दिन वो भी उसी के बारे में पोस्ट कर रहे हैं, कोई इनके साथ मिल रहे हैं, कोई इनका मील खा रहे हैं. I don't know what is this guy doing, but there's one thing which is very famous about him and what he's doing. That's 37-day challenge.
Yes.
Praneeth, let's introduce you to our audience. Why don't you tell everybody who you are, what do you do in 60 seconds, and then you tell the brief part about what is 37-day challenge.
Okay, so hello guys, thank you so much Raj for inviting me, and this is a absolute pleasure for me because it is my first podcast.
Cheers to that, brother.
And yeah, so I won't need 60 seconds because I transform lifestyles.
Ooh.
That's the only vision.
That's a very bold thing to say. We'll break this down. We want in 60 minutes, how many lives can you transform today? We want to see it right here, right now. I'll ask you very specific questions related to my life, related to young hustlers who are trying to have a balanced life and try to, who are trying to kill in their lives. At the same time, they want to get fit as well. We'll talk about all of this. But what is 37-day challenge?
Okay, so I will tell you the story behind it, and then how did I came up with this, and then what exactly we do. You will get to know out of it. So I have seen many gyms and many fitness studios, and I think I was just 18 complete when I actually stepped my foot into the fitness industry as
18.
a person. 18 complete.
How old are you?
Right now I'm 26.
Oh,
94 born.
Shit, you're not that man. अभी तू kill करेगा. बहुत
Thanks.
kill कर रहा है. Yeah. So 8 years ago.
Yeah, so 8 years ago, but in a very early age, I got a good experience of managing gym. Okay, and that is where I got to know that people are least interested about how big your gym is and how beautifully set up your gym has or something like that, and then how machineries are working in your gym, and the how lounge area and then spa, everything that they're least interested in it. Okay, the main quality purpose why they are there is to get fitter, right? So this kind of audience read results. That means itself the best is best quality. Now the thing is, even if you go to any gym, okay, and you ask them for a diet plan, okay, you will get the diet plan, and then after 15 days you are supposed to again go back to your nutritionist and tell that person कि ये हुआ मेरे 15 दिनों में और ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, मैंने इतनी बार चीट किया. So the problem was कि आप दिन में से अगर सोचने जाओ तो 24 घंटे है. तो अगर आप फिटनेस के बारे में सोचना भी चाहते हो ना, यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड ऑफ द बिजनेस, आप फिटनेस के बारे में सोचना भी चाहते हो तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना टाइम निकालोगे? 2 घंटे, 22 घंटे आपके पास है, राइट? फिर सो ये 2 घंटे के बाद 22 घंटे में कितने बार आप सोचते हो फिटनेस के बारे में? नो, यू वंस यू आर आउट ऑफ दैट जिम,
you don't think about it.
That is out from your brain.
Yeah.
Right? So the who the hell is going to take your responsibility?
True.
आफ्टर दैट कि क्या खाया क्या नहीं खाया, क्योंकि fitness is not about you can say just going to the gym or just following the diet but not going to the gym. It has to be a perfect balance, right? Okay, that you are actually having a very good nutrition, and that's where when it comes to making some habits, you cannot start your body into some kind of habitual mode and then you only break the thing.
Okay.
Again you have to start, because again hope we all know that ये ऐसा माना जाता है कि 21 दिन के लिए बॉडी को लगता है ना टाइम हैबिट लगने
Habit
के,
बनाने में, yeah.
राइट? सो लेट्स से कि अगर आपने हैबिट बनाना स्टार्ट कर दिया और 7 डेज के बीच में ही कुछ चीट हो गया या कुछ ना कुछ गलत हो गया या आपने वर्कआउट स्किप कर लिया, तो खत्म है, अगेन 7 डेज फिर से स्टार्ट. सो इट्स काइंड ऑफ लूडो, राइट? कि आप हार गए तो फिर से पीछे स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम.
और अभी तक घर ही नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हम लोग. कहीं नहीं पहुंच पा.
Exactly, and that's where the frustration starts, right?
Yeah.
So I understood that there is a gap,
Yeah.
the gap of giving quality,
Okay.
the gap of taking responsibility of you becoming a fitter person.
Okay.
And that's where I came up with this 37-day challenge program, because I really wanted my trainers or me to be taking people's what you can say 24 hours very seriously, and then you have to tell me after 2 hours कि क्या क्या खाया था. You have to take a click of it, you have to send it to me, and that's the only rule that you can be in 37-day challenge. So
Okay.
that is where we take full responsibility. Now if suppose I have given you a meal around 9 o'clock in the morning, and because of some circumstances, if you don't follow it, okay, and you skip that meal, so my nutritionist or me, we try to solve this problem out in the lunch and the dinner.
Whatever nutrients you have missed in the morning, that are gonna get covered from
Yes.
lunch and dinner, because you're real time, you're present and being with the person.
Exactly. So the recustomization of the diet plan happens at the next minute when you skip your meal, right? And that is where I filled the gap.
Yeah.
Okay,
24/7 accountability.
that's
No,
what people want.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
That's actually interesting, and I see it working because it's so true. As somebody who wants to get fit but is not interested in fitness, I'm talking about me. That I don't think about fitness 23 hours. Forget 23 and a half. I only think about 30 minutes in the morning when I see myself naked. I'm like, fuck, bro, we need to do something about it. And then I take shower and like forget about it.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
the only time when I was fit was when I wanted to go to Bali, and I was thinking about going Bali 24/7. So I really pushed my ass off and worked hard.
Yeah.
I see it working. But why 37 days?
Okay, so there are so many articles you will see the scientific reason behind 37 days. It is not at all scientific. They have just made it on their own. I just love 7 number.
Okay. So you soon
That's the only thing.
7 बहुत कम हो जाएगा. 17 अच्छा नहीं लग रहा.
And,
27.
actually, I came up with 7-day challenge first.
Okay.
Okay, and then because I really wanted, see, now this is a marketing finally strategy. अगर आपको कुछ फ्रूट खाने मतलब लेने के लिए जाना है, तो वो फ्रूट वाला पहले आपको दे देगा ना एक खाने के लिए कि देखो ये मेरे पास माल है, आपको चाहिए, right? So that was kind of a trick which I did for 7-day challenge.
It's called lead magnet.
Of course. So acha. I didn't know about it. Lead magnet. I will use it when I'm taking my meeting with my
You
MD.
generate lead by magnetizing your clients and giving them some value for free.
Exactly.
So that you loop them into your bigger funnel.
अच्छा यार, ये टेक्निकल वर्ड्स मुझे सीखने चाहिए.
हाँ, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता भाई, अपने को यही पता है, केला दो, केला अच्छा लगा, ये लो पूरा फूल का भंडार.
Best.
It's all same.
So yeah, then people used to get some kind of results. They used to feel good, and that is where I used to tell them that now this is not an end. Now, if your body can simply give some kind of a response in 7 days, then think about the lifestyle.
तो तुम मतलब ये हम एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हैं, चलते चलते किसी ने आके परफ्यूम छिड़क दिया, बाद में खरीद लेना.
हाँ, exactly.
ये तुम 7 days का you're just applying the perfume. अब बैठोगे फ्लाइट में, बार बार सूंघोगे, देखोगे, oh fit, मेरे को I'm feeling fit.
Yeah.
I'm feeling better. So
Yeah.
now I'll get the urge of going more.
Yeah.
So that's where
And then
the
after
37.
almost implementing 7-day challenge for 3 months consecutively. Then I thought of coming up with something for 1 month.
Okay.
But I didn't want myself to be क्या बोलते हैं 1 month plan. ऐसे बोलना मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. 1 is very less number, no? Sounds very only 1 month. ये नहीं ना 37 मतलब थोड़ा सा वेट आता था. तो 30 days because I want people to understand this कि 30 days जब आप बोलते हो तभी साउंड करने में लगता है ना कि हम आपके साथ 30 days होने वाले हैं. That really means a lot to us also. So then, and also 7 is my lucky number. I feel that कि मैंने जहाँ पे सत्ता मारा है वहाँ पे हो गया कुछ ना
हर
कुछ.
7 मिनट में हम टाइम स्टैम्प लगाएंगे इसमें.
So then I came up with this 37 days and then I thought of कि why will people get interested to this 37 days. Then I think that if I challenge people, then it is something which people will take it as a challenge कि 37 days की तो बात है तो कर दूंगा यार, ऐसे ही कर दूंगा, हो जाएगा.
दिखाता हूँ तुझे मैं 37 मेरे को चैलेंज करेगा.
So this is how it worked and then it became so unique. So
and how did you, so starting from the point which everybody must have asked you, I want to get the elephant out of the room by asking you in the beginning only. How do you approach these clients who become one of your biggest clients, like big influencers? I see. So I was meeting Ankush the other day. Ankush was one of your clients. I met Vishnu. He was one of your clients.
Yeah.
I met Divyanshu. He's one of your clients. मैं बॉम्बे आके जितने लोगों से मिला हूँ, they are clients of Pranit. Everybody is a client of Pranit. We were like, we have changed up, like we got fit, fat to fit, or fit to fitter because of Pranit.
Oh, they do say that.
So they do say that.
Thank you.
Right? Everybody.
मेरे मुंह पे तो किसने नहीं बोला कभी. Anyway, yeah.
मुंह पे तारीफ नहीं करे चलेगा, पीठ पीछे करें वो ज़्यादा important.
बहुत ज़्यादा important.
So everybody is your client. So how did you reach out to these people? Because these are the people who general public looks up to, general trainers looks up to, because it's apart from just bringing transformation in their lives, it's a huge marketing gimmick as well. Plus, it's a different ball game because somebody who's sitting in Pune, how are you reaching out to somebody in Delhi during the lockdown? And then making sure that person gets fit, because based on him, your next career or next clients are going to be dependent.
Yeah,
so
of course.
How did you reach out to these guys and how do you convince them?
First of all, to be honest, I haven't met my any of my collaboration till now. Just Ankush I met 1 week before.
Okay. मुंबई आया था जो अभी.
हाँ अभी आया था तभी, बस उतना ही. मेरा एक छोटा सा एक थियरी है कि अगर राजा को हिलाना है तो प्रजा को हिलाओ. Simple thing is कि when I actually think about collaborating with someone, okay, I do a simple common sense thing, that is I check out his friends, his circle, where exactly he's commenting, उसका circle क्या है वगैरह वगैरह, and then I try to connect some kind of bridge. I start building the bridge towards reaching that person. And then बीच में कोई ना कोई तो मिल ही जाता है जो मेरा मैसेज पढ़ सकता है, क्योंकि मेरा तो नहीं है ब्लू टिक अकाउंट, तो वैसे भी मेरा मैसेज में पड़ा रहेगा मैसेज DM लिस्ट में. सो what I do is either I bombard my messages a lot on mails, कि मैं मेल्स डालते रहता हूँ, नहीं तो फिर I try to build this bridge जहाँ पे I have first got in contact with their friends and then I gave them the best results. That is why whenever they meet for the party, then this person is going to be there at the party. Then these people are going to talk about me. This person is also going to compliment them.
101.
Yeah, so यार change लग रहा है. हाँ ठीक है, fitness talks मतलब हो जाता है वैसे. So this is how I did it. So this was
the bridge.
Yes.
So for perspective, I will continue this here. I wanted to tell everybody. So this is one of the best networking tips in the world. This is one of the best networking skills in the world.
Bye.
It's called 7 layers of human network.
ओहो, इसको भी टेक्निकल. आज तो मेरा पूरा आज तो मैं पढ़ के जाऊंगा भाई मैं कल टैटू वीटू करके ले लूंगा इसका.
So according to this layer, according to this theory, you are only 7 steps away from everyone and anyone in the world.
Oh.
Even if you want to reach out to Mukesh Ambani or Jeff Bezos, you're only 7 level away from them.
Wow. Oh, that's great.
So it's just 7 steps of it. So first is you reach. If you can't reach out to Mukesh Ambani, you reach out to second person to him. If you can't reach out to Manoj Modi, you reach out to third person. If
Yeah.
you can't reach out to third, then fourth, then fifth, then sixth, then seventh. Seventh would be one person who you can easily access to.
Of course.
So one person is only 7 levels away from you.
Yeah.
That is how you're trying to gap the bridge.
I-
Bridge the
I-
gap.
I-
Sorry,
I-
gap the
it's,
bridge.
it's so funny. I never realized that I'm doing this. But now you are asking me, that is where I have started thinking consciously. ऐसा भी नहीं कि मैं कुछ आंसर रट के आया हूँ, मुझे पता भी नहीं है ना, राइट? आई आस्क्ड यू यस्टरडे ओनली कि क्या है फॉर्मेट भाई, मतलब क्या पूछने वाले. लेकिन मेरा सिर्फ एक ही, मतलब 2-4 मेरे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट्स हैं जिनको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करता हूँ. एक तो ये है कि अगर राजा को गिराना तो प्रजा को हिलाओ. एंड सेकेंड थिंग इज कि if your efforts are there 99%, then you just need that 1% luck. And if that if that 1% is there, then you make sure that that becomes 100% of your effort. And this is how from one opportunity you can create 1,000 opportunities. So be the most hungriest person to get that 1% luck, which people say 1% luck, which is not at all luck. I'm just, because see now
We'll get to this.
we are directly coming on point. That is why I'm telling you that people never knew that what exactly I'm doing.
Yeah.
Okay, till this podcast. Okay, that exactly क्या हो रहा है, मतलब एक सुबह को उठते हो तो दूसरे का स्टोरी, तीसरे सुबह को तीसरे का स्टोरी. So why it was happening? Because I made sure that I'm always making sure that I'm 100% there. Okay, and just I'm waiting for the right time to pitch. I'm just waiting for the right time to pitch. So even if you अभी ये मुझे दिमाग में आ रहा है कि मेरा 3 महीने के बाद वाला भी प्लान रेडी है कि मैं किस किस को पिच करने वाला हूँ. ओके, और 3 महीने से पहले ही मेरा प्लानिंग हो चुका है कि मैं इसको बोलूँगा, इसके पहले इसके बोलूँगा, इसके पहले इसके बोलूँगा. सो दैट इज हाउ आई एम बिल्डिंग इट on my this side.
So those layers have already been
built. Okay, and then just to show it to the people, that is luck. That 1% is luck, which gets in my favor.
But that's the beauty of hustlers, you know, people who are extremely hungry. They figure out their own way.
Yeah.
They don't care about 7 layers of human network. They don't care about how they can reach out to people. They don't care about any nuances of how what it takes to network, क्या है कैसा है. मुझे सिंपल चीज़ पता है, ये नहीं बोलेगा तो ये बोलेगा, ये नहीं मानेगा तो ये मानेगा, ये नहीं मानेगा तो ये मानेगा, ये नहीं मानेगा तो ये मानेगा.
Right.
बहुत सिंपल मैथ है. मैं
If
कुछ
there
ना
is
कुछ करके तो पहुंच ही जाऊंगा.
If there is a 0.01% chances of you winning, worth
for it.
going for. Worth going for.
But
Because
that's only people who are extremely hungry and feel that they don't have anything to lose. They only go it.
yeah, of course.
Because even if you have, I've seen people, you're talking about 0.01%. I'm talking about people who have 10% chances of winning. They feel कि यार हो सकता है 90% तो मैं reject हो जाऊंगा. It's better कि छोड़ो यार, मेरा ego का क्या होगा. मैं you know, I can't be like कि मैं मैसेज करूँ, मैं ट्रेन करूँ और उसने मना कर दिया तो he didn't
See,
reply.
I'm
then
so
मेरे ईगो का क्या होगा, मैं कैसे करूं, मैं प्रणीत को पॉडकास्ट के लिए कैसे पूछूं, इसने कभी मेरा सीन करके छोड़ दिया तो मेरा तो ईगो हैश हो जाएगा.
नहीं
मैं तो डोंट यू फील लाइक दिस बिकॉज़
इस मामले में ना मैं तो बहुत ही हरामी हूँ.
मतलब I get it what I'm asking is people who are way above you, उसमें you don't feel anything. People who are almost at the same level or somebody who is not on that social status. I'm not talking about anything else. I'm not demeaning anything or degrading anyone. I'm just making on a social status level. That person is not at the same level with you. Don't you feel कि मैंने इसको बोला और उसने मुझे reject कर दिया तो? Don't you feel like there's ego sometimes? कभी कभी आ जाता है कि अब तो मैं फिटनेस टॉक्स विद प्रणीत बन चुका हूँ, मैं राजा हूँ, अब मेरी खुद की प्रजा और राजा सब हम ही हैं.
No,
So,
actually,
do you ever feel that it's the ego which comes out?
I'm the king who never stays his own kingdom.
You're always in other kingdom. क्या देख
Always
रहा है?
I'm
क्या ढूंढ रहा है
battling.
तो क्या देख
I'm battling all the time. I'm just on the field. I just let
And what's
my
the motive? Battles are always for either women or money.
always money.
Okay.
Always money. See, the thing is, ईगो वगैरह मैं नहीं देखता हूँ क्योंकि यार अगर ईगो है तो फिर वो तुम सिर्फ रिलेशनशिप में ही रहो, बिजनेस में मत आओ। ओके क्योंकि
रिलेशनशिप में भी ईगो कैसे रहे? शिट।
हाँ मतलब अभी क्या बोलूँ यार, मतलब अभी वहाँ पे तो प्रॉब्लम आप बोल सकते हो कि हाँ ईगो है इसको वगैरह वगैरह, ये बिजनेस में आप नहीं बोल सकते कि मुझे ईगो है या मुझे ईगो
हाँ,
इश्यूज
वहाँ
है।
पे एक ज्यादा छोड़ के जाएगी, यहाँ जाएगा।
हाँ मतलब
यहाँ
अगर
पे
किसी ने
सब खत्म हो जाएगा।
ऑफ कोर्स एंड अगर किसी ने आपको रिप्लाई नहीं भी किया या नहीं किया, ठीक है यार चलो, मतलब बहुत सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है। आपने पूरा एक को ही पकड़ के सिर्फ दिमाग में रखा होगा कि यार अभी ये मैसेज करेगा, अभी नहीं किया और शिट मेरा ख़त्म हो गया, नहीं यार फिर नहीं करना चाहिए, यहाँ पे नहीं आना चाहिए, ये नहीं होना चाहिए। ओके इफ़ यू डोंट हैव अ प्रॉपर लिस्ट ऑफ 1000 पीपल देन यू जस्ट डोंट एंटर इनटू द बिजनेस। Okay because this is the first rule of for me, okay, that when I started fitness talks I have मैंने ना कहीं पे तो सुना था, मैंने YouTube पे देखा था, आई एम वेरी रॉ दैट वे। सो मैंने YouTube पे किसी को बोलते हुए सुना था, मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन वो बोला था वो बोले थे कोई तो कि योर टोटल नेटवर्थ इज योर नेटवर्क।
एब्सोल्युटली।
ओके एंड
सबने बोला था, कोई एक आदमी नहीं है।
अच्छा हाँ सबने बोला
सबने
क्या?
बोला है,
Okay.
सबने बोला है।
अच्छा सो एंड पहली बार मुझे नहीं समझ में आया वो, एंड देन जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट किया ये सब कुछ, तभी मुझे पता चला कि ओ ये तो बहुत बहुत ही बड़ा गेम है। तो जैसे मेरा हंगर बढ़ते जा रहा था वैसे वैसे मेरे प्लानिंग बहुत तगड़े होते जा रहे थे। अभी मैं सिर्फ एक ने ना बोल दिया तो मेरे पास और भी 10 लोग हैं जिनको मैं अभी तक पहुंचना बाकी हूँ। सो अगर 10 लोगों ने ना बोला तो अभी मेरे पास 50 लोग हैं। तो मैं हमेशा पॉसिबिलिटीज़ बढ़ाता हूँ, मैं देखता नहीं हूँ कि फेलियर्स कितने आए हैं, तो फेलियर ऑटोमेटिकली छोटा दिखने लगता है जब पॉसिबिलिटीज़ बढ़े हैं।
Wow, beautiful line. I'm stealing it. I'm stealing this line, and this is my tweet for the day. When you think about endless possibilities, your few failures look very small.
Yeah.
Opportunities are endless, failures are few. You can count failures, you cannot count opportunities.
But again, you are
Beautiful.
going to get the best experience because there is another level high of testing failure. Because मुझे ना कैसा था कि बचपन से ना पापा का मार बहुत खाता था मैं।
अच्छा।
ओके
सेम ब्रो।
हाँ
साथ में बैठे हैं।
बहुत एंड ओके आई शुड यूज दिस वर्ड, कुत्ते जैसा पिटते थे मुझे। ओके मतलब कुछ भी हाँ मतलब कुछ भी रीजन हो, मतलब मैं ऐसा क्यों बैठा हूँ मतलब खाने के लिए।
नहीं, इतना नहीं था मेरा,
हाँ
पर ठीक है।
इससे भी ऊपर मार खाया मैंने। द थिंग इज कि जब भी मैंने फिटनेस फील्ड में आना स्टार्ट कर दिया था तब आई स्टिल रिमेंबर ना, दिस इज नॉट आई एम हेटिंग माई फादर, ओके, आई एम टेलिंग यू हाउ मच आई अडोर हिम फॉर वॉट ही इज। ओके so there was an incident where now you can imagine, just to give you the vibe of this incident, मैंने डैड को कुछ 4-5 दिन पहले ही बोला है कि मुझे इंजीनियरिंग नहीं करना है। ओके एंड आई रियली वांट टू बी इन फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री एंड वॉट एवर, मतलब जो कुछ भी होगा मैं इसी फील्ड में करूँगा। नाउ एक बार ऐसा हुआ था कि मुझे उन्होंने उठाया सुबह को नींद से, एंड देन ही गिव मी द तेल का बॉटल हाथ में, एंड ही सेड जा मालिश करके आ लोगों की, वही तो तू करना चाहता है ना लाइफ टाइम तक। नाउ आई स्टिल रिमेंबर दैट डे, व्हाई? बिकॉज इतना एड्रेनलिन पंप मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा था मेरे में, इतना फायर मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था। उस दिन से लेके आज तक मैं वो दिन भी नहीं भूला हूँ ना, मैं कभी मोटिवेशन में नीचे गया। दैट वॉज अ प्रॉपर स्लैप फॉर मी और फ्यूअल फॉर मी टू गेट मोटिवेटेड। बट ये फ्यूअल एक ही बार डैड ने जो इंजेक्शन लगाया ना बॉस, उसके बाद मैं कभी भी नहीं रुका। मतलब अगर फ्लोर पे 10 ट्रेनर्स हैं और 9 ट्रेनर्स टाइम पास कर रहे हैं बाहर बाजू में, मतलब बैठे वगैरह वगैरह, और वहाँ पे एक कोई तो एज वाले आंटी वगैरह रहेंगे, उनको नहीं है ज़रूरत मतलब ट्रेनिंग का, या शी इज़ लुकिंग फॉर समवन, आई विल बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू अप्रोच। इतना ज़्यादा मेरा अटेंशन बढ़ गया था, मतलब मैं एक भी पर्सन को छोड़ता नहीं था विदाउट ट्रेनिंग। मैं इतना पागल हो चुका था वर्क के बारे में कि मैं सोचता ही नहीं था उस टाइम पे कि मुझे क्या उससे फ्रूट मिलने वाला है। ऑल आई हैड वॉज एग्रेशन इन साइड मी, टीनेजर था ऑल्सो, सो मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा एग्रेशन था, और वो सब एग्रेशन थैंक गॉड मैं चैनलाइज कर सका मेरे काम में ऑटोमेटिकली। मैं जैसे सेट्स लेता था, मैं जैसे लोगों को मोटिवेट करता था उस मोटिवेशन की वजह से जब लोग एक सेट और एक मार लेते थे या 2 रेपिटेशन ज़्यादा जाते थे, उस टाइम पे ना मेरा हाई मिलता था कि ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा लग रहा है। दिस वॉज माई चैनलाइजिंग थिंग जो होने लगा था। यू नीड कॉन्स्टेंट स्लैप्स लाइक दिस if you really want to be successful. Okay, you need some kind of high, right? Okay, now my biggest motivation was to get married.
Okay,
I'm telling you the simple fact. Okay, and then after I got married, I think for next 6 days I was blank, like okay, done, like
अब क्या?
there is, and I'm looking at my dad is very happy. He cried also at my on my wedding day only. That is what actually मेरे वाइफ के पेरेंट्स ने रोना चाहिए था, वो रो लिए मेरे। सो बहुत ही ऑकवर्ड सीन था, या बट ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी। एंड मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि अभी क्या करूँ यार, मतलब ख़त्म हो गया, क्योंकि गेटिंग दिस गर्ल वाज आल्सो द बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन, बिकॉज आई कम फ्रॉम अ फैमिली वेयर माई डैड यूज टू रन एन ऑटो रिक्शा in Pune. Now imagine my wife's family where her mother is a HOD of MBA college in Pune. Okay, she's PhD. Her dad is in Tata Motors, some managerial level. Her elder brother is in USA. He's also on a very huge level. So can you get the difference? मतलब ये 2 layer नीचे था.
The social status difference, yeah.
Yeah, and the financial thing will also, मतलब सब कुछ ये 2 लेयर नीचे था. So जब हम रिलेशनशिप में थे, नाउ आई थिंक ये हमारा 9वां साल रहेगा, 9th. सो जब हम रिलेशनशिप में थे, मैं पहले ही साल में पहचान गया था कि यार मैं इमेजिन ही नहीं कर सकता इसके मॉम डैड के सामने जाने का. कैसे करूँगा, क्या है मेरे पास, एजुकेशन है नहीं है, एम आई गुड एट स्टडीज, नेवर. तुम मुझे कुछ भी बताओ, मेरे सामने सिर्फ बुक रखो, मैं ख़त्म, मैं 15 मिनट में सो दूंगा. ठीक है, 15 मिनट भी नहीं, 10 मिनट में कभी कभी. आई ट्राई अ लॉट, आई पुश माई सेल्फ टू रीड बुक्स, बट आई कैन नॉट. ओनली थिंग आई कैन ऑब्जर्व from my entire this all years is whatever I see, if that is convincing for me, stored forever. I will never forget that thing.
You're more of a kinesthetic.
Yeah, and because of my slight dyslexia, मेरा है बीच में ही हिट हो जाता है. मतलब मैं अभी, मुझे शूज़ के लेस नहीं बांधने आते हैं, कभी कभी मैं 6 और 9 में गड़बड़ कर देता हूँ अभी भी. ओके, एंड देन देर आर आई थिंक AMW में भी है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ऐसी. सो कभी कभी मैं भूल जाता हूँ, लेफ्ट एंड राइट भी भूल जाता हूँ कभी.
मसल में तो नहीं होता ना प्रॉब्लम कि आज बाइसेप ट्रेन करवाना है, ट्राइसेप कर दिया.
हाँ, मतलब हो जाता है.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
यस, ये हुआ है, बहुत बार हुआ है मेरा कि मैंने लंजेस मारे थे और मैंने याद करके मैं पानी पीने के लिए गया था, और मैं बोल रहा हूँ खुद को कि यार ये राइट लेग से गया, राइट लेग है. तो मैं कभी कभी क्या करता था कि कभी कभी ना मेरा हिट होता है, कभी ऐसे बीच में ही होता है, बार नहीं होता है. कैन आई स्टार्ट डाउटिंग माई ओन डिसीजन ओनली कि ये राइट था या ये लेफ्ट था. तो उस टाइम पे भी थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है. तो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज आई यूज्ड टू पिंच माय वन साइड जस्ट टू रिमेंबर दैट कि ये पैर हुआ है, ये पैर रह गया. सो या दिस वर अ काइंड ऑफ ट्रिक्स व्हिच आई यूज्ड टू डू टू सर्वाइव इन दिस
world. This gets me to 2 questions, okay?
Yeah.
One was that so you don't read, how did you learn about fitness? Keep it very short, because next question is really important.
Yeah. So my school doesn't believe that much in theory. From where I've got to know everything, K11 school. Okay. So
instead of reading, what's the way? Like you watch people and do experiments?
Yes. So they teach you everything practically.
Coach Saab, what was his name?
That is not Coach Saab. That is K11 school.
Okay.
Kaizad sir is my mentor, and he's the one who's now making a big evolution in the fitness industry, because every other trainer who's getting certified right now and who's getting a diploma, also reps registered, everything is from K11. So my school doesn't believe in just teaching the theory. If you don't know the practical thing, then how you're going to train people practically.
True.
So that's why ये बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे अच्छा लगने लगा था, क्योंकि वैसे भी मैं स्टडीज़ में अच्छा नहीं हूँ,
हाँ.
लिख नहीं पाता
Learning by doing.
हाँ. सो ये बहुत अच्छा था कि मैं जो सामने देख रहा हूँ वो मैं दूसरे दिन फ्लोर पे जाके ट्राई कर रहा हूँ और उसके रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं.
So learning by observing, then learning by doing.
Perfect.
This is what you love.
Yeah,
And this is what you did
Yes,
in your
yes.
entire life. And now, okay, see, ये सब तो बहुत fun है. We talk about that fitness में आ गए, मेरे अंदर aggression था, motivation था. We all have our moments in life. कोई इसको channelize अच्छे वे में करता है, कोई गलत वे में करता है. The bigger question is, how do you make this sustainable? As a trainer, as far as I have heard, that it's very difficult to make a living.
As a trainer, yeah.
As a trainer, it's
Yeah,
very
it's
difficult
true,
because there are two ways. One, your job is never, let's say, it's never stable. You don't know what's going to happen tomorrow because gyms open and close like anything.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not stable. आज जिम बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, कल जिम बहुत बेकार चलेगा, तो trainers get slacked and hired like anything.
Right.
And number two, you are completely dependent on other body. You're completely dependent on somebody else. तुम्हारा livelihood उस पे चल रहा है. Because it's not even like jobs where अगर तुम एक कंपनी में अच्छी सेल्स कर रहे हो तो दूसरी कंपनी में जाके अच्छी सेल्स करने लग जाओ तो they'll hire you. इधर तो there is no trial and error. दूसरा जिम तुम्हारे दूसरे जिम के ट्रेनर ही तुमको नहीं आने देंगे, forget the owners. Right?
Right. Yeah.
So it's very difficult to make a living in the training industry. How do you make money? And specifically during the time of lockdown, because I've spoken to at least 5 or 6 trainers from the previous gym which I used to go. They all started crying.
Yeah.
They didn't have money. They didn't have things to do. They didn't know what to do because उस टाइम पे कोविड का इतना सीन था कि जो टेक्नोलॉजिकली हैंडीकैप्ड है वो तो घर जाके पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं दे पा रहे थे क्योंकि लोग आने नहीं देते थे उनको.
Right. Right.
So this is the industry which is very difficult to sustain it. How do you make money in this? How do you do that? For everybody who's interested in fitness, how do they make money in the fitness industry? What do they do?
What I think is you should be never satisfied on whatever kind of clients you have. Even if you are training, if you are telling me you are training as a single person, you are training 15 people. Okay, that is also not a sustainable thing.
हाँ वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. So how do you, because एक इसमें टाइम कॉस्ट है ना.
Of course.
मैं एक दिन में 8 घंटे 8 ही लोगों को ट्रेन कर सकता हूँ. अगर मैं फुल मैक्स आउट भी कर लेता, 8 भी मैंने नहीं देखा ट्रेनर्स को करते हुए ट्रेन, 2 या 4 करते हैं. आई एम नॉट योर एक्सेप्शन, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू दिस क्वेश्चन. या राइट, यू आर एन एक्सेप्शन. तो 7-8 लाइंस भी नहीं देगा, 3-4 देखते हैं, अपनी खुशी में खुद की बॉडी बना के 3-4 ट्रेनर लेके चले जाते हैं.
सी ओनली मतलब इसके बहुत सारे वेज है कि कैसे मनी निकाल सकते हैं.
हाउ डू यू डू इट? Forget about कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, कौन क्या कर सकता है. How do you do it? How did you transition from one person to a 40 people team to a content creator to reaching out to other people to building 37-day challenge which is raving across the country? How are you managing all of this? How did you go from one person to this?
Okay, so I will start it from the very beginning where that wasn't मतलब 7 day challenge का भी कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं था उस टाइम पे, ना 37 days challenge का था. I just decided that I want to shift my entire focus onto social media, and I will whatever I want to do, it will be all on social media. So what I exactly did was कि मेरे ही उतने वो फ्रेंड्स, जब पर्सनल अकाउंट रहता है ना तब कुछ 300 फ्रेंड्स रहेंगे मेरे. सो वो 300 फ्रेंड्स को ही मैं खुद मैसेज करने लगा कि हे let's meet for a coffee, I have a interesting workshop for you. And I used to gather 5 people. I used to make sure that I earn at least 500 rupees to pay for their coffee, and then I used to call them up. I used to take their very good workshop, and then I used to make sure that they have got the basics right. So at the end of the workshop, I used to make sure that they are able to plan each other's diet. Okay. And
you're facilitating, मतलब you were kind of making sure that two friends, they both are well equipped enough so that they can help each other and hold each other accountable so that they see results. This is
No.
what you did?
They are the only people who can understand their own fitness limitations, and whatever desired results they want, they can easily get it to that level. Why? Because finally, जैसे देखो कितना भी साइंस डेवलप हो जाए, कुछ फैक्ट्स जो फैक्ट्स है, मतलब मून है एक ही है,
हाँ.
तो उसको नहीं चेंज कर सकते ना आप नहीं बोल सकते कि हाँ मून के पीछे भी एक मून है, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते ना आप. सो प्रोटीन, कार्ब्स एंड फैट्स एंड कैलोरीज, इससे अलग तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, राइट? सो इफ यू नो द बेसिक्स, then you will be able to at least be in shape or maintain yourself, right? Some basics you need to know, okay? And that is where I used to guide them कि देखो अब अभी जितना मैंने वर्कशॉप में लिया उसका सबका आपने मतलब पूरा नोट्स निकाल दिया, अभी मैंने जो बताया है उसके ऊपर आप सिर्फ गेस करो कि इसका डाइट प्लान क्या होना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
Right? They used to give the best answers. Right? Then I used to tell them कि अभी इसको सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन में कैसे डालना है ये समझ लो. And they used to make plans for each other. मतलब 5 लोग एक दूसरे का प्लान बनाते थे ताकि उनको पता चले कि हाँ they make their own plan also. They can make their the diet plan for their friends also, and they can make my diet plan also. So that time I didn't have any kind of faith कि मैं ऐसा करूँगा वैसा करूँगा, कुछ भी प्लान नहीं था. सिर्फ मुझे ये चाहिए था कि यार खोने के लिए क्या है, कुछ ही नहीं है.
सही है.
वैसे भी मैं 500 रुपये भी हार्डली कमा पा रहा हूँ 1 वीक में भी, तो फिर बेच दो सब कुछ जो है. ओके, लेना है तो लो, नहीं तो मत लो. सो विदाउट फटीग एंड विदाउट एनी ब्रेक आई डिड दिस फॉर 3 months. So every Saturday, Sunday I used to meet 5, 10, sometimes 15, then it went up to 30, then it went up to 50, then 60. Yeah. So, and then after 3 months, I was just about to quit. 3 months हो गए. Not even a single person turned into my client. Can you imagine just 3 months,
90 days,
I'm just making sure that I gather 500 rupees some or the other way. Okay, and I'm paying for their coffee. Okay, and when I didn't have money, I'm calling them on a ground or some park, and then I'm screaming out louder to reach my voice up to almost these 50 people. I don't know even कि वो मेरे capable मतलब potential clients है या नहीं है. Okay, I'm just doing what I am doing, and बस इतना ही है. मतलब सब कुछ दे रहा था मैं मेरी तरफ से. और जब भी ये लास्ट महीना होने के लिए आता, जब मैं जस्ट बोलने वाला था कि यार बस हो गया यार, नहीं खींच सकता और कब मैं खुद की बॉडी बनाऊंगा, वो तो मतलब सवाल ही नहीं आता था. Then on Saturday, I still remember, on Saturday I was supposed to take the next workshop, and on Thursday I got a call from the first month member, first week वाला, कि सर I did your this planned plot वगैरह सब कुछ ये, और आपके थेरी के हिसाब से मैंने इतना सब कुछ फॉलो किया, and I've seen the best result. This is the before after. Okay, I did it on my own, and I'm so impressed that I really want you to keep a proper diet plan session for my entire team. So he was some like team leader of some IT company. So I directly got an access of 50 people. And that time I charged 2,000 rupees per diet plan. खत्म.
एक झटके में लाख रुपए.
वो तो एक ही कॉल आया था. Then जो 7 day चैलेंज मैंने तैयार किया है उसी की वजह से तैयार किया, क्योंकि देन ऑटोमेटिकली क्या होने का, मुझे उसी से याद आने लगा कि अगर मैंने 3 महीने से इतना घिसा है और उसमें से एक कॉल आ गया, तो मुझे पता है कि अभी आगे कॉल्स आने वाले हैं. और आते गए फिर किसी को उनके डैड के लिए, उनके वाइफ के लिए, उनके इसके लिए, उसके लिए, फ्रेंड्स के लिए, सबके लिए वो रिकमेंड करने लगे मुझे. और उस टाइम से मुझे पता चलने लगे कि ओके, नाउ इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट क्रिएटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. ओके, सो हाउ डू आई क्रिएट मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़? So let's come up with something which is 7 days thing. 1 week तो try करते हैं, and that is where I came up with 37 day challenge. 7 day challenge. And then people started taking interest because I created a Canva में गया, मैंने लोगो बनाया छोटा सा, वो पोस्ट किया, उनको बोला कि अगर आपको 7 day challenge लेना है तो इस लोगो को, हाँ, इस लोगो को पोस्ट करो आपके स्टोरी पे, मुझे टैग करो, बड़ा वाला टैग आना चाहिए. ओके, और अगर मैंने आपका स्टोरी देखा So you are in for 7 day challenge,
Oh,
and that is how it started.
it started. It went up slowly,
Yeah.
slowly.
And then
And now you. So now what do you charge? How do you charge? Like people who want to enter your thing, is it different for everybody? Is it something which is exclusive, or is there a basic price
okay.
for everybody?
No, there is no basic specific price for everyone, because
It depends
few
on individual needs,
yes,
individual.
it is very
programs.
subjective. That is why till now people are just guessing the price of 37 day challenge, and I'm not able to tell them, because few people have metabolic disorders also, like diabetes they have, thyroid they have. So according to their results or their desired results, we have to give them their expertise, right? And few experts. So I have to select a trainer who's a little bit experienced also, a nutritionist who is a little bit experienced, and that person has at least practiced on at least 500 people just to treat you
True.
in a good way. So that is where my cost also goes up, because
Yeah.
these people are not going to charge less. So I have a plan which starts from 1,500 rupees till 50,000 rupees.
Ooh.
Okay. And these are the types of 37 day challenge that you get to know when you call.
So there's an entry price and exit price. ये दोनों खतरनाक difference है. I don't even know what counter question to ask, but I understood your point because
Because it is very subjective.
It's very
It is-
subjective. It's true. Somewhere, some people must be physically very active, just want little help, so उनके लिए बहुत easy होगा.
Yeah.
And some people will be physically very challenged or
Yeah,
lazy as hell.
yeah.
And,
So and the problem is कि देखो ये challenge है, सबके लिए है, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं एक कुछ कॉपी पेस्टेड डाइट प्लान तैयार कर दूं और सबके लिए सबके ऊपर छापूं. नहीं, वो मेरा पैटर्न ही नहीं है. मुझे एक्चुअली मेरा एक सेल्स कॉल, डू यू नो माई वन सेल्स पर्सन हाउ मेनी कॉल्स ही डज इन अ डे?
tell us.
टेल मी, लाइक गेस, एनी गेसेस?
5-7.
हाँ, सो या परफेक्ट. सो मैक्स टू मैक्स 10 कॉल ये 7 लोगों से होते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay, 70
And
every day.
yes, and the total inquiries I must be having right now, which are just there, still we haven't reached them. That is 7,000.
Ooh. Everybody who wants to make big it in the fitness industry, you can start hunting for his clients. क्योंकि ये नहीं पहुंचता टाइम पे, तुम चुरा लो सारे clients. This is the biggest opportunity here. Figuring out with Raj Shamani. Here, there's the money. You can sniff money here.
So so that is why I get lot of gali over this कि you never reply, we have filled a form वगैरह वगैरह. But now मैं कितना भी वीडियोस बनाऊँ, मैं कितना भी स्टोरीज डालूँ कि प्लीज़ आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी, बट मेरे पास उतने टीम नहीं है. मैं क्या करूँ, मैं मर जाऊँ? तो एक्चुअली
तो एक काम करते हैं. इधर 2 प्रॉब्लम्स तो यंगस्टर्स की सबसे बड़ी सॉल्व करते हैं. आई वाज रीडिंग अबाउट इट. दिस वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन द वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड, बट नाउ इज प्रॉब्लम इन इंडिया एज वेल. So number one problem is most of the young people feel lazy during the day.
हाँ.
So do you think is there any food or any diet plan or any fitness plan which they can start putting in their lives without going through external, like obviously ideal life में नहीं जा रहे हैं कि 1 घंटा workout करो, 4 मील लो, 5 मील लो, all of that I'm not talking. Do you think are there any tweaks or foods where which they can start implementing in their lives? And then वो laziness खत्म हो जाए, because laziness is one of the biggest problems in today's generation.
Yes.
The people feel lazy during the day. वो काम ही नहीं कर पाते, mental focus ही नहीं आ पाता. पूरा एक supplement industries पे चल रही कि focus बढ़ाओ, productivity बढ़ाओ, laziness हटाओ, you know.
Yeah.
So how can, like, do you have anything for these people? How can we beat laziness?
There
How
is
can we
no
beat
there is no specific diet or specific workout or specific kind of nutrition, and just focus on one thing and then you will be sorted. I'll give you simple example of it.
But how can we make it better? My point is, even if we can't do it with one thing, are there 2-3 things or little tweaks in life which can help us become better?
Yes.
And not lazy?
Yes, of course. Since almost now 8-9, this is my 9th year that I'm training people. Okay. All throughout these years and training lot of celebrities. Now I must have crossed almost 200 plus celebrities now, including the Marathi celebrities.
Wow.
So I have understood the one problem. Problem with people is they plan fitness as an event. You have to go to the Bali, and that is why you want to
Get
look
fit.
good. Then मेरे बहन की शादी है, मेरा ये है, मेरा वो है.
शादी is
इवेंट
biggest
स्पेसिफिक,
motivation in India.
हाँ इवेंट स्पेसिफिक हो चुका है. और दूसरी चीज़ क्या है, मैं पॉइंट पे आता हूँ, फिर से भटक रहा हूँ. if you look at our parents' lifestyle, the solution is in lifestyle only. This is the only answer for your entire question, that is lifestyle. Okay. Now if you look at your parents, now let's say you want to cook for your parents. Okay, you exactly know how much quantity you will cook.
Yeah.
You exactly know what time you are going to serve them. Okay. And you know which are those things which they don't like.
Yep.
Okay. Can they do the same thing with you?
No, because they don't know. मैं तो रोज mood change होता है.
You know exactly what time you shouldn't be calling them because they are sleeping.
Yeah.
Can they guess about you?
No.
Simple. Khatam. End of the topic. If you don't have a fixed lifestyle, you are always going to feel lethargic because your energy levels are not able to balance. On last day, you were working at some another frequency. Then on the second day, you're working at some another frequency. And then the problem is, if you are missing out on the timings, then missing out on everything, you're not in the perfect alignment of the life. Okay. This is where the problem starts.
Wow.
So देखो
This
यार,
makes so much sense.
कोविड के वजह से ना एक बात तो सबको पता है और सब तो स्मार्ट हो चुके हैं कि देखो घर में बैठ के भी हम तो जी सकते हैं, ये तो आ गया है जनरेशन. ओके, सम in 5-6 years I can literally imagine कि on which floor we are at, right? 55. Okay. So अभी एक ड्रोन आके तुम्हें जोमेटो का पार्सल भी देके जाएगा. तो खत्म है यार. तुम एक जगह पे बैठ के आज कंटेंट जनरेटर्स क्या कर रहे हैं? एक रूम में बैठ के कंटेंट जनरेट करके लाखों कमा रहे हैं.
मैं कमाने वाली बात नहीं कर रहा था. मैं बोला एक रूम में बैठ के बस रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं.
So the thing is कि now अगर ऐसा हमने इवोल्यूशन किया है, वाई इवोल्यूशन हैपन्स, वाई कौन सा भी इन्वेंशन क्यों होता है? टू मेक आवर लाइफ ईजी. ओके, नाउ फ़ोन है तो पहले फ़ोन था तो मुझे काम भी करना है, मुझे तुमसे भी बात करनी है. सो ये ऐसे मैं एक नेक ऐसा मोड़ के मैं फ़ोन को रख के कर रहा हूँ. एयरपॉड्स केम. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एग्जैक्टली? You do not have to keep your neck like this and one hand. This is easy thing. Okay, it is reducing down the effort. Elevators.
सब reduce कर रहे हैं.
Exactly. So जो भी चीज़ हमें cool लगती है as an evolution, that means it has reduced your effort. Are you coming back to the point now? Are you getting the point? My point is कि अभी बहुत सारे evolutions and inventions होने बाकी है जो ऐसे ही आदमी का एफर्ट कम करवाते.
Make us
more lazy. Everything is happening just to make man live in his comfort zone. Okay.
Yeah, because we love comfort zone.
Of course, that is why. So आगे जाके बहुत सारे ऐसे इन्वेंशंस होने वाले हैं जो और रिड्यूस करेंगे काम. तो
अब इनको बीट करना है तो जस्ट हैव अ लाइफ परफेक्ट लाइक
एवरीथिंग. मैं बोल नहीं रहा हूँ कि
मैं स्टार्ट वर्किंग आउट मोर बिकॉज़ नाउ देयर इज मोर नीड टू डू इट.
मैं बोल नहीं रहा हूँ कि आपने इसी टाइम पे वर्कआउट करना चाहिए. नहीं, आपने इसी टाइम पे उठना चाहिए. दैट्स कंप्लीटली फाइन. फाइनली इट्स your life schedule and it's your time. Okay, how you want to use it is completely up to you. Body doesn't understand which time you are working out on. Okay, body only understands what is the need of an hour. Okay, so अगर आप रात को वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, that is also fine, but make sure that you have had a good sleep, good enough rest. Okay, and have some kind of fixed things. Okay, discipline ये बहुत मिसिंग है. इसलिए मैंने पहली चीज़ मेरा शादी होने के बाद मैंने पहली चीज़ यह की है कि मैं दूसरे दिन सुबह को मैं 6 बजे खुद भी उठा था और मेरे वाइफ को भी उठा के हम दोनों पहले जिम में थे. बिकॉज आई रियली डोंट वांट टू गेट दिस डिलेड कि हाँ यार अभी हनीमून के बाद देख लेंगे, हाँ यार अभी ये तो होना ही है, हाँ यार अभी तो मेरा करियर का भी है तो थोड़ा सा उसका भी सेटअप नहीं. द प्रॉब्लम इज ये सब कुछ बाद में, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि हम दोनों भी जी पाएंगे, उसका कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट इफ वी डोंट हैव अ डिसिप्लिन, व्हाट डू वी डू विथ आवर चाइल्ड, विथ आवर चिल्ड्रंस? कुछ नहीं होने पाएगा, राइट? सो ये सब कुछ मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था. तब मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर किसी को उसका परफेक्ट एनर्जी लेवल चाहिए, ओके, एंड इफ somebody needs full focus on his tasks, okay, then you really have to be very much disciplined in the lifestyle, okay. So yeah, do not miss out on the single second also, please.
मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत जोर से चाटा पड़ा है मुझे. I have one of the most horrible lifestyles. If we are comparing with if we are trying to compare my lifestyle with the kind of points you talked about right now.
But I can assure you,
horrible lifestyle.
जितने भी लोग अभी सुन रहे हैं, एटलीस्ट मतलब ये लाइफस्टाइल ऑलमोस्ट 70 to 75% लोगों का है.
No fixed time to wake up, no fixed time to sleep, no fixed time to do work.
Eat. No
It's
fixed time
nothing to eat.
Yeah, also if you make your mom test cafe frappe and momos and then pancakes, she will never love it. She will have it for your like हाँ mood रखने के लिए, मन रखने के लिए. But I don't think your parents will be able to love that much pizza, burger वगैरह वगैरह.
जितना तुमको पसंद है.
जितना तुमको पसंद है. तो प्रॉब्लम इज कि उन लोगों को पता है कि उनको क्या चाहिए, क्या बॉडी को सूट करता है, क्या नहीं करता है, सब कुछ पता है उनको. हमें कुछ भी नहीं पता है इसके बारे में, क्योंकि हमने कभी टेस्ट ही नहीं किया है. ओके, देन यू गेट वरीड अबाउट, यू गेट एसिड रिफ्लक्स, देन एसिडिटी, देन ब्रेन काम नहीं कर रहा है मेरा, देन बहुत ज़्यादा दुख रहा है सर मेरा, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. एंड देन आई थिंक आई हैड टू मच कॉफ़ी. अरे
मैं छुप रहा हूँ. मैं नहीं कर रहा ये पॉडकास्ट. ये अटैक राजकुमार हो रहा है. ये दिस इज नॉट फिगरिंग आउट, दिस इज अटैकिंग मी.
नो आई द प्रॉब्लम इज कि मैं ये टॉपिक जब कभी बोलने लगता हूँ ऑटोमेटिकली वो अटैक हो जाता है, क्योंकि सबका लाइफ ऐसा ही है,
सबका लाइफस्टाइल ऐसे
सेम.
Okay.
So discipline is really very important.
Discipline. So this is how you start knowing your body by being disciplined.
Of course. You just try and do one thing. Okay. Let's say for next 21 days.
Okay.
Okay. You follow a fixed meal time.
Yeah.
Okay. And just try to skip your lunch. You will feel irritated like hell. Okay. And just to compensate, just because you're hungry, if you go for one chai, okay, for that time span you will feel that you have got an energy. But the problem is, again, it is going to go fade away again.
Yeah.
Again you are going to feel hungry. Then what are you going to do? Then you are going to go for one chocolate. Okay, क्योंकि बाजू में पड़ा था. ठीक है. So easy accessible food sources बहुत ज़्यादा है हमारे पास. Okay, nobody likes to cook.
Yeah. Nobody likes to wait.
Nobody likes to wait. That's the thing. I think ये वॉली में देखा है हमने. वॉली, have you seen the Wall-E movie?
नहीं.
This is the perfect movie actually. So they have guessed it right. क्योंकि वॉली मूवी वो दिखाया है कि कुछ तो 2055 या कुछ तो चल रहा है साल, एंड एवरीबडी इज ऑन दैट मैग्नेटिक चेयर. जो रास्ते से चल रहे हैं लोग, तो कोई भी चल नहीं रहा है. एवरीवन इज ओबीज. एंड उसमें एक इंसिडेंट दिखाया है जहाँ पे वो चेयर से गिर जाता है एक आदमी, तो उसको एम्बुलेंस लेने के लिए बुलाते, मतलब एम्बुलेंस आती है उठाने के लिए और फिर से चेयर पे बिठाती है. एक्चुअली मैं हिल गया था कि इतना परफेक्ट इमेजिनेशन जो प्रैक्टिकल, वेरी मच पॉसिबल नाउ,
बिकॉज़ अभी आर्थराइटिस जैसा बढ़ रहा है, यू नो, लाइक दीस वेरी मेजर इश्यूज आर गोइंग.
इफ यू सी एनी IT पर्सन, ओके, बेड से उठो, इस पे कंप्यूटर डेस्क पे बैठो, लिफ्ट में जाओ, ओके, कार में बैठो, तो कहाँ है टास्क? And then you wait eagerly for that Saturday when you are going to do the party. Then hangover तो पूरा संडे के आफ्टरनून तक निकल जाता है. Okay.
पूरा सब खत्म।
एंड देन लास्ट के 3 आवर्स में आप सोचते हो कि नेक्स्ट वीक क्या करना है. ओके, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट, कि कैसा लगता है ये होने के लिए? बहुत ही मुझे 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 बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि सैटरडे संडे इज़ द मोस्ट क्या बोलते हैं स्पेशल डेज फॉर यू, बिकॉज apart from what you are supposed to do every day, you are getting that extra time to think about what else you can do. So that is where you can simply little bit step one step क्या बोलते हैं वो सर्कल में से एक स्टेप बाहर निकाल के अपने ही सर्कल को थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा एंगल करके देख सकते हो आप, राइट, कि यार मैं बराबर कर रहा हूँ क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ, एक थर्ड व्यू देखने के लिए. तो ये मेरा सैटरडे संडे होता है, जब मैं इतना ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ या कुछ प्लान करता हूँ, तब वो सब कुछ चल रहा है. अभी ये सैटरडे संडेज को कैसे प्लान करें, या सिर्फ सैटरडेज को आप अगर ट्रेकिंग कर रहे हो, दैट इज़ नॉट इनफ, बिकॉज वंस अ वीक एक्टिविटी इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू एनीथिंग. You need constant challenge. You really have to be in that zone.
What
of
should be the ideal
day?
number of days in a week to work out? 2, 3, 5, 6?
I think 3 are enough.
3 are good.
Good.
Basic.
Let's say yes, you are doing very good.
One place. I'm good at it. I'm doing 3 days. That's what the only reason I wanted to ask. कहीं मुझे validation दे दो.
Yeah.
3 days. Okay, this brings me to last question. जो मैंने बोला था, I'm gonna ask 2 questions and try to solve people's 2 problems. The second problem is which I believe that we have taken from the West is desk job, not doing the manual labor.
Right.
So just because our jobs have now become, our daily work life has become sitting more than walking or doing anything at all, lower back is getting fucked. It's fucked.
Yeah.
It's not even it's getting bad, it's just horrible.
Right.
Right. I know people who are in their 20s, like not even 20s, forget 20, 19 teenagers, they feel that ki fuck meri lower back gayi.
Exactly.
They can't sit for long. If they sit for long, they start feeling pain. कुछ उठा लिया जिम में तो 4 दिन गए. You know?
Yeah.
So lower back के लिए how should we strengthen lower back on daily basis?
Okay. First of all,
what should we do for, let's say?
मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है कि जिनका लोअर बॉडी एंड लोअर बैक इज फ्यूज्ड. ओके, मतलब अगर अपर बॉडी से झुक जाओ तो लेग्स तक स्ट्रेचिंग होता है पूरा. ओके, वेयर एज लोअर बैक एंड लोअर बॉडी has to be little bit flexible. The problem is, yes, because of the sitting job, desk job, because of this sofa inventions.
अगला पॉडकास्ट खड़े होके करना है भाई. ये इतना अटैक मैं नहीं ले सकता.
No, I'm just telling because people actually now people's
पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट हुआ ऑरेंज जूस पे अटैक करा, पॉडकास्ट के बीच में लाइफस्टाइल अटैक हो रही है, पॉडकास्ट के एंड पे सोफा पे अटैक कर रहा है. भाई कुछ और प्रॉब्लम है, मैं बोलना बंद करूं?
नहीं, ठीक है. तो कैसा है कि डेस्क जॉब वगैरह जितना भी आपका जॉब प्रोफाइल है, आई हैव स्टार्टेड लविंग द फैक्ट दैट फ्यू कंपनीज आर लिटिल बिट स्मार्ट इनफ टू एक्चुअली क्रिएट देयर स्टैंडिंग जॉब स्टेशन. हाँ, सो डेस्क जो बोलते हैं, हाँ वही. सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड मूव एक्चुअली. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग इज, इफ यू आर सिटिंग फॉर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक लेट्स से 1 hour, so at least after 1 hour just stand up and do something, at least do stretching, do something. Okay, so that you cannot be you are not just sitting in the one position all throughout the day. Okay, see, having a tightness in your body, you will never realize it till the time you slip from the floor. Okay, it's just like I gave you the tightest jeans to wear. What will happen?
I won't be able to fit in.
Exactly. No, you won't be able to move. Right? This is what the exact body tightness is. Like, you don't feel it till the time.
How do we get it better? How do
just focusing more and more on flexibility. Okay, how do you do that?
What can we do that on daily basis?
See, first of all, there are 2-3 things which
I'm being very blunt and honest. मेरे पास 2 मिनट से ज़्यादा नहीं है.
Okay.
2 मिनट में रोज में ऐसे क्या करूं, या 3 मिनट या 5 मिनट. Like I'm talking about short.
I'll give 3 solutions for this. First solution, just always make sure that your laptop or your monitor is not below your eye level. मतलब अगर हम ऐसे सीधे बैठे तो सामने देखना आना चाहिए. अगर आपका लैपटॉप वगैरह कुछ नीचे है या आपके लैप पे है तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू आर गोइंग टू प्रोन डाउन, बिकॉज हमारे जहाँ पे गेज रहते हैं वहाँ पे हमारी बॉडी फॉलो करती है.
ओके,
दैट इज वाई.
ऐसे देखना पड़ेगा.
यस, सो ऑटोमेटिकली मतलब the
Got
thing
your
is,
point.
see, if you get punched on the face, you will collapse down, right? Why? Because your gaze are moving first, not because you got a hit. गेज जहाँ पे गेज हिलता है वहाँ पे बॉडी फॉलो करती है. ऐसा कभी देखा है कि इसको यहाँ से बैठा और यहाँ पे गिरा वो? नहीं.
Sweet.
Right?
Nice.
So the thing is, wherever your gaze are all throughout the day, that is where your body follows. So if your gaze is always down, you're always going to hunch down. And that's where you're going to develop a tightness. Okay.
That's
So
solution
always make sure that your laptop, your workstation, everything just
Same
is
eye
at
level.
eye level. The second thing is please do not sit away from your desk. Like keep as much close as chair possible. जितना chair जितना ज़्यादा, हाँ,
straight
so automatically जितना भी chair अच्छा, जितना straight रह पाए उतना नहीं, इतना it's completely fine.
Keep it as close as I can. Yes. Followed, sir.
Yes, and then I think ये हो गया sitting postures. Flexibility. Now I think अगर 1 घंटे के बाद भी उठ के अगर आपने सिर्फ टो टचिंग का सिर्फ 2 मिनट का भी होल्ड किया तभी भी बहुत ठीक होगा. मतलब कुछ ना करने से अच्छा है तो कुछ.
Keeping your knee straight and then touching the floor,
just
or touching
touch
the
and hold it for 20 seconds and do it thrice. That's all.
Done, team. Write it down. Every hour we have to do this. ये आज से हम लोग प्रैक्टिस में डालेंगे. 1 महीने बाद फिटनेस 37 डेज बाद फिटनेस विद प्रणीत को हम अपडेट करेंगे कि ये छोटे से हैक से हमारे साथ क्या हुआ. These are good 3 hacks, okay? They all make sense as well. And they're very easy. This is what I wanted to know. Like, I don't want you to give me कि ओ जाओ deadlift करो, जाओ plank करो, जाओ ये करो. Give genuine solutions.
Yes, actually I get this lot of questions and every day I'm solving the same question, same answer. So that is why it was just in me. Because I exactly know what people want. People don't want me to talk about how you should strengthen your back वगैरह वगैरह. They just want quick fix. अभी बता. क्योंकि मुझे कल प्रॉब्लम हुआ इसलिए मैंने तुझे आज पूछा है.
Yes. But that's I think that's a very big opportunity as well for a lot of fitness trainers. That the entire fitness industry, anything with the self-help or self-development is built on immersion and discipline.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So discipline to you cannot get away, because if you want results you need discipline. So uska to you cannot do anything, but you can break
see
that
how disciplined
immersion.
you are in your work, right?
Exactly.
And how disciplined you are at generating content also, right? Okay, so exactly the same attitude you should have just
for the fitness. That's what I'm saying. So self-help industry में या कोई भी industry में discipline तो तुम हटा ही नहीं सकते.
Of course.
But the big opportunity is that every trainer is still talking about immersion. कि तुम life का 1 घंटा निकालो और खतरनाक तुम सब जीवन उसमें दे दो और रोज 1 घंटा तुमको देना चाहिए. That's immersing yourself in that process, getting lost in your fitness journey for 1 hour daily.
Yeah.
Right? सब उस बार. And I see this is a big opportunity for everyone who can give quick hacks. कि हर 30 minutes में तुम 5 मिनट निकालो या 1 hour में तुम 10 मिनट निकाल लो.
Right.
And break your fitness journey to that. And if I don't know if that's possible or no, I'm just making out an opportunity here. If you can help very basic problems of people, I feel at least 50 to 60% people who I know, they don't want good body. They just want to get away from all the problems which they're facing.
Right.
So if you can help these people by giving them quick hacks ki, okay, हर घंटे में तुम ये 2 मिनट करो, at least your back's gonna be in a better position. At least your stamina will be up. At least your standing power or your holding power is gonna be more. Your mental focus is gonna improve.
Right.
Whatever it is.
Right.
जिसका जो problem है. If you can break it down to that level, I see as a big opportunity because not many people are talking about it.
Yes, you have given me a very good actually topic to talk about in my content generation. So yeah, I'm actually
you can start this thing.
Yes,
like
I can.
Every day with your morning, I'm sure. Or you can start before bed routine.
या देखो मेरे टीम के कैसे आके खुल गई कंटेंट या सो या आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई
Every
एंड
day
डू
you're just
थिंग्स
giving
लाइक
one
दिस
tip कि आज ये करो, start your day with this 2 minutes.
हाँ.
Or end your day with these 2 minutes, okay? So there was, when I
there is a biggest reason why I मतलब ये बहुत सारे लोगों का complaint भी है that I don't post lot of deep science and sometimes I don't talk about fitness and nutrition that much. I'm very much focused on the discipline and the lifestyle and the
Mindset.
motivation and the mindset. The main problem is, see, fitness industry is the most hated industry on the social media platforms. Why? I'll tell you. There are so many gurus, so many trainers, and so many best trainers out there, which are giving people result. And everybody has their own set of experience,
Yeah.
own set of theories, everything. And I respect every one of them. But the problem is that people should be understanding one thing, that कि अगर आपको किस में बिलीव लग रहा है तो उसको फॉलो करो. अगर आपको लगा कि नहीं ये सेंस नहीं कर रहा है तो देन फॉलो समवन अदर, चेंज योर ट्रेनर. द थिंग इज कि यहाँ पे जब कंपैरिजन होने लगता है एंड देन इट बिकम्स वेरी कॉम्पिटिटिव kind of vibe. So that is why my only motto was to not to post, because I have done it, and only thing you get back is hate rate. See, if I'll give you an example. Now you must have heard about the keto lifestyle. Yeah. Then you must have heard about the low calorie deficit lifestyle. Then you must have heard about the intermittent lifestyle.
Yeah. Fast intermittent. Yeah.
Right. Then you must have heard about 1 week lifestyle or something like this. जहाँ पे 2 दिन का fruit रहता है, दिन 2 दिन का vegetables रहता है. So there are many types of diet plans and many practices. Okay. The problem is कि मैं अगर एक की चीज़ में एक टॉपिक पे बोलने जाऊँ तो जो दूसरे लोग हैं जो वो अलग थेरी पे बिलीव करते हैं, they will start bashing me.
But that's okay, na?
Are you getting my point? The problem is where I want to create a very good awareness about fitness, I'll get completely distracted and I'm solving the questions and the bashing happening on my post, which I really don't want to get into, because finally there is no end. How much science I will talk, how many reply I should go with, there is no end. And that is what is happening with every other fitness influencer or fitness trainer who's trying to make his career up little bit.
But there's no problem, no? See, every time it's with everyone, not only fitness, it's with everyone.
Yeah, so
I
actually
think
this
I
is
talk
a
a
question
lot about
from my
mindset
side to
and
you.
sales.
Yeah, same thing. That do you also get the
Of course, every day, man, every day. I talk about a lot of things. Let's say I talk about business, mindset, sales.
right.
Tomorrow morning, my major thing is people want to hear what stock I talk about. If
Right.
I talk about a stock, people are like, hey, tu to chutiya hai. And maybe that stock's making the maximum money, but like, hey, tu fraud. Tomorrow that stock goes down, I become a fraud. That goes up, तुमने वो तो बताया नहीं, तुम तो दूसरे के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. How many industries can I talk about?
It's so
Right,
funny,
for
no,
example.
that you when you are nothing, right? Okay, that is where you are appreciated for your each and every opinion.
Yeah.
The time you get.
See, that's a problem with India now. That's a problem with India. That's genuinely a problem with India. They make you famous very quickly and they want to put you down very quickly as well.
Yeah.
They make you God, because India को God और trust के अलावा कुछ आता नहीं है. So India wants to make you God in everything. So they make you God for whatever you do. You're like, तुम एक कॉलोनी में स्टार्ट करोगे फिटनेस देना, तुमने 4 लोगों को ज्ञान बताया, उनको अच्छा लगा, प्रणीत तो यार फिटनेस का भगवान है. वो 4 से 400 पे पहुंचा. मैंने देखा था उसको बचपन में कैसा, तब ज्यादा ज्ञान दे रहा है. अरे अब गलत बोलता है, कुछ नहीं, मैं तो उससे मिला था. वो 4 लोगों ने जिसने तुझे प्रमोट किया था, when you reach to 400 they start bashing you, so overall फिर वापस 400 के 400 तुझे नीचे गिराने में लग जाते. So that is that's everywhere. That's with you, me, everyone who's watching this must have felt the same thing.
I'm yet to
And हम खुद भी करते हैं.
get mature enough to actually, what I can say, कि not to get so much affected by this, because the thing is whatever I do on social media, I make sure that I'm so genuine, and I'm not
If you're
faking
genuine,
anything.
then stop thinking.
Yeah, man.
I am not even kidding. This is the best mental block. I got it away from this block during the lockdown.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I get 2 comments, which are bashing comments for me, yes, they do affect me, because एक तो मेरा ऐसा होता है कि अरे भाई मेरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट क्या है, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, क्या चल रहा है, तुम यार प्लीज़ मतलब
भाई
गंदा
चलता
मत
है।
करो. लेकिन अभी मेरा ऐसा हो गया कि फिर मेरा वो मेंटालिटी डेवलप होने लगा कि देखो यार, मैं फिटनेस के बारे में कुछ प्रिंसिपल लेके आऊँ या इसके ऊपर बोलूँ, तो हज़ारों लोग हैं जो बैश करने आएंगे, तो उतना अप्रिशिएट कितने करेंगे, क्या होगा कुछ पता नहीं. तो either I will turn off the comment section and then directly start posting the video.
Forget about everything. Let people talk.
Oh yeah.
The more people talk, the better you are getting. That's it. People don't talk about something which is irrelevant. People only talk about things which are relevant.
Oh yeah.
If
Right.
you are relevant in the market, people are talking about it. Feel good that you are making a dent in the market. Man. You're making a dent.
Thanks, man.
People
Thanks.
are talking about it. Who's
Yeah.
the biggest fitness creator according to you in India? Give me random name. Guruma, I don't know what his name.
Actually,
कौन है? कौन?
I am.
Biggest in the world. Anyone? Give me a fitness trainer.
I am not following any.
It's okay. Give me anyone who you think is.
See, I actually started loving a lot Beer Biceps.
Okay.
When he
So,
started with his.
My point is, ask Ranveer. Does he not get hatred?
He must have.
Or
got
just go
so
to the
much.
comments.
Yeah.
Endless hatred. So even if the somebody who you
नहीं,
think
उसको
who
2000
you love,
कमेंट्स भी होते हैं ना, तो 2000 में से छिप जाते हैं मेरे को.
भाई तुम्हारे पास
20
अगर-
कमेंट में
तो 20 में 2 होंगे ना कमेंट बेकार करने वाले. 18 लोग थोड़ी 10 होंगे कमेंट. 10 50 पे तो why not?
या
अभी we were talking about 0.01% chance. And there's a 50% chance है you getting better.
Yeah,
You're providing
yeah.
better content.
I have to
That's the
learn
whole
this. I
game.
have to learn this. I have to
Not learn this. Stop thinking right here, right now. So, you know, I have a theory in life.
Hmm.
Decisions and learnings happens in a moment, in a heartbeat. You can never say that I will learn tomorrow, or I'll apply from tomorrow, or I'll start doing this thing from tomorrow, or I'll have to think about it. If you do all of this, you can never do it.
Okay.
Life changes in a moment, in a heartbeat. Snap.
Yeah.
The
that's
moment
true.
you decide that fuck, that doesn't matter to me, it won't.
Yeah.
On that note,
Yes.
this was 1 hour with Praneeth. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
On
Thank
the
you so
ending
much,
note, do you want to say anything to anyone for people like me who are lazy and not able to have a disciplined life? Do you have any message for us?
I think we have had enough dosage of everything. But as such, no message. I can only say this कि देखो यार, अगर लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हर एक इंसान ने बर्थ लिया है क्योंकि वो कुछ तो बड़ा कर सके. ऐसा मुझे हर एक के बारे में लगता है. अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, अगर आपको ऐसा पर्पस नहीं मिलता है, देन यार मुझे तो हाई नहीं मिलता है उससे. सो कीप सर्चिंग, कीप आस्किंग योरसेल्फ कि एक्चुअली हु यू आर, एंड वंस यू गेट इट, देन जस्ट डोंट टर्न बैक. जस्ट कीप हसलिंग.
Ask questions, find answers, and then dominate in that industry.
Yeah.
That's what Praneeth means. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.
Thank you.